After a long walk in the desert, we discover a house. Inside the house, it's at just the right temperature, and there's delicious food, water, and animals. Now, if you found a house like this in the desert, would you think it was just created by nature? No, of course, you think someone designed and built it for people passing through the desert to rest. Now, by the same principle, we find a house in the universe. Inside this house, it's at just the right temperature, and there's delicious food, water, and animals. In nature, not even a doghouse can be created out of thin air. So why do you think this house called Earth wasn't built by a builder? Everything in this world couldn't just appear. Someone designed and created it. We have no choice but to acknowledge the existence of God, the creator of heaven and earth.
First evidence God exists at the beginning of the universe. Well, if space-time and matter had a beginning out of nothing, whatever created space-time and matter can't be made of space-time and matter. In other words, the cosmos transcends space-time and matter. The cosmos must be spaceless, timeless, immaterial, powerful, personal, and intelligent. Sounds like God, doesn't it? The fine-tuning of the universe. The universe is so fine-tuned in so many parameters that if you were to change any one of them just imperceptibly, we wouldn't be here. It looks like somebody designed this universe. Also, the information found in DNA, in every one of your 40 trillion cells, there's a software program 3.2 billion letters long. All the letters are in the right order. When I see a program, I know there must be a programmer. If there's design, there must be a designer. Also, objective morality, the idea that certain things are right and other things are wrong. Murder's wrong. Love is right. And unless God exists, there's no such thing. Yet we know that goodness and truth exists and righteousness exists. So God must exist.
Somebody asked me, how do you know God exists? And I go, too elaborate. And they say, what do you mean too elaborate? And I go, look, just look. Look around the world. Look at the plants. Look at the ocean. Look at people. Look at how elaborate this thing is. Where'd that shit come from? Who thought that up? Because it wasn't me. Something thought up this whole concept of you're going to take this thing and stand on it. At least for me personally, to look at it any other way, I'm just like, it's too elaborate. Like the trees and your immune system and the thing and the animals and the way that just the sun, it's all, come on. You got to be blind, deaf, and dumb to not at least be aware of that, because it's just right in your face. It's like, walk out your door, open your door and take a look, and then spend 5 minutes and watch the hummingbird buzz by your head, watch the sunrise in the morning, watch the lightning storm. It's like, okay, yeah, sure, just random acts, yeah. What are you on? Like, what are you on to think that somehow that's just random, that we thought it up?
냉장고 사면 설명서가 있어요, 없어요? 세탁기 사면 설명서가 있어, 없어요? 하물며 조그만 이런 자명종 시계에도 설명서가 다 붙어 있어요. 그런데 복잡 미묘한 인간에게 설명서가 없다? 이상하잖아요. 설명서가 있어요. 성경. 이게 인간 사용 설명서더라고요. 이걸 보면 자녀를 어떻게 키워야 되는지, 부부는 어떻게 살아야 되는지, 부모님은 어떻게 존경을 해야 되고 효도를 해야 되는지, 그리고 이 안에 보증 서지 말란 말도 있어요. 아니, 그 옛날에 뭐 사업이 있는 것도 아닐 텐데, 아니 어떻게 보증 서지 말라. 하나님께서는 다 알고 계시는 거예요. 이게 바로 인간 사용 설명서예요. 주님께 딱 붙어서 사랑을 공급받고 은혜를 공급받고 평안을 공급받는 다 여러분들이 되셨으면 좋겠습니다.
O store Gud, när jag den värld skådar som du har skapat med ditt allmaktsord. Hur där din visdom väver livets trådar och alla väsen mättas vid